All right, looks like we have ourselves a gross-looking rational function type thing, and we are being asked to find the end behavior, ask if there's a horizontal asymptote, and so write out the equation of the horizontal asymptote. Now, it looks to me that we do have a horizontal asymptote, and we do have end behavior, and things seem to level out at this number right here. Okay? Things seem to level out right there. This guy flattens out here. This guy starts down here, comes back up, and starts to flatten out right there. Well, what number is that? That seems to be 4. So what we're going to say is the end behavior of this guy, as x moves to the left, we are approaching 4. Will we ever hit 4 again? Probably not. But as we move to the left, as x approaches negative infinity, we are heading towards 4. As this guy moves to the right, it looks like we're also approaching and probably never hitting 4 as well. Is there a horizontal asymptote? If so, write the equation of the horizontal asymptote. Well, if you're going to level out at a specific number, which I am, that horizontal asymptote is going to be a horizontal line. Horizontal lines are in the form y equals a number, and since that number where things seem to level out is 4, is going to be y equals 4. So is there a horizontal asymptote? Yeah, and here it is. Fun stuff.